What if I told you that you could have a custom-made Christmas porch sign for only $4? Plus, you do not need power tools or bulky wood requiring a pickup truck. And you can make the letters without a Cricut. Hey love, welcome to Crystal Clear Hope. Today I'm going to show you how I made this porch sign using some clearance Halloween signs that I scored for just 50 cents. I was challenged to create a porch sign using Dollar Tree items and something that a person would not need a truck or power tools to complete. Let me know in the comments at the end how you think I did. The first thing you want to do is take a sanding block and sand off the glitter and then clean off the dust. I started out using paint stirrers to reinforce the board, but then realized they were not strong enough and switched to yardsticks, which you can get for about $1 at the hardware store. So now you see where I switched to the yardsticks. Once I glued and taped them all down, I then went in and reinforced the cross seams with duct tape. Once everything was secure and dry, I painted the sign white using Zinsser primer and apple barrel paint. Now I'm taking a sponge from the Dollar Tree to go in and make the board look weathered and add dimension. The key to this painting technique is to have a very light hand. I created my own stencils using Canva and printed them at home. I'm going to use this to cut my letters out of the Dollar Tree Cricut paper. I want to be able to use this for more than just Christmas, which is why I chose a neutral color scheme. But I do want it to look festive. So in order to accomplish this, I will add some garland and ribbon using double-sided removable tape. I wish I would have purchased a darker Cricut paper to place in the back as an outline because the silver was really muted, as you can see here. So to fix that, I outlined it with a brown paint marker and it made all the difference and I really love it. I had some mess ups and mistakes in this project, but not only is that a part of crafting, but it's also a part of life. So I want to encourage you that when you make mistakes in life, give yourself grace, understanding that perfection is an impossible goal. Don't let your mistakes and failures stop you, but rather use them as learning opportunities, which I'm going to go more in depth on this Monday's motivation. For the next week, I will be posting a video every day. So make sure you are subscribed and have your notification preferences set so that you don't miss out. I'll also be adding my diva wreath to the door and so much more. If you would like your own house number sign, you can check it out up top in the card. Thank you so much for tuning in. If no one's told you today, I'm going to tell you that I love you. Make today great on purpose, and I will see you the next time.